Here's a list of some important historical events that happened on December 5th. Phi Beta Kappa Society is founded 1776. On December 5th, 1776, 5 students at the College of William and Mary formed Phi Beta Kappa, the first college fraternity in the United States. They created it as a place for learning, debate, and friendship outside regular classes. The society adopted Greek letters from its motto meaning love of learning is the guide of life. With secret rituals, a handshake, and a seal, it became a true Greek letter group. Although the first chapter closed during the Revolutionary War, new chapters kept it alive, and it eventually became a respected academic honor society. End of Prohibition in the United States, 1933. On December 5, 1933, the United States ended Prohibition when the 21st Amendment was ratified, overturning the 13-year ban on alcohol. Utah's vote finalized the repeal, bringing relief to many Americans. Prohibition had created speakeasies, bootlegging, and widespread illegal alcohol trade. With its end, social life changed, industries revived, and law enforcement shifted direction. This day marked a major turning point in American society and personal freedoms. Establishment of the Kyrgyz Soviet Socialist Republic, 1936. On December 5, 1936, the Kyrgyz Soviet Socialist Republic became a full republic within the Soviet Union. This gave the region official political status and allowed Moscow to reorganize Central Asia under stronger control. The new republic adopted Soviet-style reforms in education, language, and government. This milestone helped shape the future of the region and later contributed to the creation of modern Kyrgyzstan after the USSR collapsed. Great Smog of London begins, 1952. On December 5, 1952, a deadly smog covered London when industrial pollution mixed with cold weather, trapping toxic air over the city. The smog lasted several days and caused thousands of deaths, shocking the world with its severity. The disaster led the government to create stricter air quality laws and regulate coal burning. The Great Smog remains a major reminder of the dangers of air pollution. Flight 19 disappears over the Bermuda Triangle, 1945. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy planes, known as Flight 19, vanished during a routine training mission from Florida. Despite massive searches, no wreckage or survivors were found. The disappearance became one of the biggest mysteries linked to the Bermuda Triangle. Many theories have been suggested, but no clear explanation exists, and the event continues to fuel curiosity and legends about the area. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. We'd also love to hear from you, so leave a comment below and share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.